Spatchcocked or butterflied turkey is a Thanksgiving or Christmas Day game changer. Your turkey will cook faster and turn out so much more juicier. Here is how to cook a spatchcocked turkey. Spatchcocking turkey is easier than you think. If you bought a whole turkey, it probably still has giblets inside. Remove everything inside the turkey, as well as any packaging and rubber bands. Now, flip the turkey around and cut out the backbone using a sharp knife or kitchen scissors. Once the spine is removed, make a cut in the middle of the breastplate so you can completely flatten the turkey, kind of like a butterfly. Flip the turkey over and place it on your roasting tray. Now, let me show you a simple yet flavorful way to season your turkey. Take some soft room temperature butter and add the thyme, rosemary, and lemon zest and mix it up. Gently push your fingers under the turkey's skin and spread the butter and herbs mixture under the skin, pushing it in as far as possible. Then, smooth the skin back into place. Now, rub the turkey generously with olive oil to get a perfectly crisp turkey skin. Then, sprinkle it with some salt and pepper, making sure the turkey is evenly covered with the seasoning. Now, place the turkey in the preheated oven and cook it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes. I have left the link in the description below the video for the exact cooking times and temperatures for all the different turkey sizes and the full recipe. Once the turkey is cooked, cover it with foil and let it rest for 10 to 30 minutes. This spatchcocked turkey is soft and juicy and literally falls apart on your plate. For the full recipe and the exact cooking time and temperature for each turkey size, follow the link in the description below the video. Also, if you have any comments or questions, please let me know in the comments below.